it's me, Karina. I haven't been posting a video in a long time, but I want to show you a slime, which is the slime. So yeah, it's very small. And this slime is blue tack slime. And I did a small blue tack, and then I just put like soap in it, and then I just like started to play with it, and then it started to get really stretchy. But yeah, this is slime. It makes funny noises. Yay. But yeah, I think it's really cool. So yeah, this video today was basically about slime, blue tack slime. So yeah, all you need is blue tack, and then you put some case soap on it. I think it's conditioner. Then you just like fold it. Then it starts to get stretchy, and then you can start by playing with it. But yeah, bye YouTube.